Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to worldwide. No problem where you're from, but you can transfer money from PayPal to worldwide. This is mainly a Xoom transfer. We know that lot of countries don't have PayPal account. But in last video I have shown that you can create a fully verified PayPal account from anywhere in the world where PayPal is not available also. If you missed that video, please check that video so that you can create a fully verified PayPal account. Okay, anyway, let's start the video. Before starting this video, please make sure hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So this is my PayPal account. I just created in last video. I have already $37. I have lot of transactions here. I have added a recent bank. I am from Bangladesh. No Bangladeshi bank allowed to add PayPal account, but I added a bank account. For knowing details, please comment down below. For transferring the money, go to direct to bank, this option, and here you will see Xoom. It's a PayPal service. We can transfer the money all over the world by using Xoom. Now agree. Here you will get few options. Fill up your country, where are you sending? I am sending Bangladesh. You can choose your country. We can see a notification here. Transfer may delay if we send in bank account. Here we will get few options. This is the bKash mobile wallet. This is a mobile banking. We can transfer it instantly. Here few options like bank transfer. You can directly transfer to your bank account. It may take few times like 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, and cash pick also. So bKash mobile wallet is instant transfer. That's why I will choose it. Let's check how much charge for it. It is almost $5. Now let's check the bank charge. This is the bank charge. It almost $5. Let's check cash pick. It also $5. So our less price is on mobile wallet. So that's why I will choose mobile wallet like bKash. Now select your dollar. I have $37. That's why I chose $32. Now type your bKash number. And send. Add contact information. Sender contact information here. I am sending to myself. So details here. And this is my phone number, email address, and then next. Verify your address. No need to touch, just next. I will send from PayPal balance. It also showing the charges. It's $4, and then next. Estimate transfer in 14 minutes. So let's wait 14 minutes. It will come to my bKash account within 14 minutes. And here is the rate I will get. If everything clear, then next. Here you can see your transaction number. That means dollar already sent. It may take 14 minutes. So this is the simplest way to transfer your money from PayPal account from anywhere in the world. So that's all for today. We will see you in next video. So bye bye.